Okay, this is just a quick video to show you how to assemble the 3-cube puzzle box. So starting with the base, which is this piece, take a pin and put it into the corners. If the pin protrudes like that, you've got the wrong corner. So take it out and stick it in the next one over so it's flush like that. The other corner that will be flush is the one opposite. That's the base done. Now, taking the lid, we need to put a pin in one of the corners with the extra little hole next to it. Then, using your finger to hold the pin in, slide the lid into place. Then, holding this pin in the base in with your finger, flip the box over to reveal the final recess. Again, the one with the small hole. Add the pin and slide the box closed. Give it a shake. It's now locked and locked and ready to go. Cheers.